All right, so now we're here. Let me show you something quickly. This is not how yours will look. I went ahead of the tutorial to quickly adjust some things. But let me expand this. Okay, I just want to quickly. So from lesson 7, we're able to import our all right, so now what we're going to do for this tutorial is now I want to import. Now look at what I did. When you bring in that stone AI, it will show you stones and stones layer. So, and I told you that everything is organized. Each of the elements, they are arranged in certain way so that you're able to animate each and every one of them. So please select the stone layer, open it. This is where you open it. And once you have been able to do that, so we can see so many elements here. But then once you just choose okay, we have background, dark, earth, fire, frost, light. So we want to just choose dark earth. See, if I click on dark earth, if I just keep clicking on it, you can see the images are showing here. You can see preview, frost, light, dark. So you can see I can actually see everything here, and this is my background. So once you try to work on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's the dark, earth, fire, frost, light, and then pick on background. So for you to be able to do that, this is what you will do. Try to select your background. Once you have selected the background, please click on Shift. Check your keypad and click on Shift. Click on Shift. Now press the second one. You'll be able to select all the ones you want to select. So while I'm selecting all this, my hand is still pressed down on the Shift. So ensure your hand is still pressed down on the Shift. Once you've selected everything, you can now remove your hand from it. So now the next thing to do is, now for you to be able to animate, you have to create a composition. So now all these things you have selected, now we want to move it to a composition. Composition is just as if for instance you built a car, but then you need a road to run on it. So it's like the house that will contain, or like the platform that will be able to, where you'll be able to do the animation. So the composition is what we host the animation that you want to do. So we need to create a new animation. If you want to create a new animation, you have selected it now. I can choose to just drag and put it here. I can choose to put it here. I can choose to put it here, or I can choose to put it in this small box. This box is still under composition. These are many ways you can create your new composition. So I choose this one. So now when it shows me this, it said you can see new composition from selection, from what I've selected. Now if this your own is under 2 minutes, please, maybe it might be like this. Try to change it to 3 seconds, not minutes, rather seconds. So also you see that it's telling you to select single composition or multiple composition. If you select pardon, if you select multiple composition, they're basically trying to tell you that each of these elements should not be in the same place. They should be running in different routes. Just like if you have cars now, and telling everything to be running on different routes. No, we don't want that. We want everything in the same place. So while we are clicking on single composition, Okay, so now new dimension, we are selecting background stones to be our background. Yes, and then you click OK. So you can see we have our we have everything here now. They're already in our timeline. Very good. So now one thing you have to understand is, once you arrange it this way, you can see that your background is number one. It means that the background is blocking every other thing under. The one that is in front, that is one that is up, is one that will be like covering the other ones. So this background was very big initially. See the size, see how big it is. See dark stone. So I'm even selecting other ones now. I can't see it. Why? Because it has completely blocked them out. So what we'll do is, let's move it to the back. So what I'm doing is, once I just click it, I drag it. I'm dragging with my mouse, my laptop mouse. You can use your mouse to drag. So the moment I brought it to the back, you can see we can now see the other elements, because all these ones are very small and the background was very big. So once you have been able to bring the background to number 6, as you have put it at the back. So which one is now number 1? That one is now number 1. You have successfully completed week lesson 8. So that means you now know how to create composition, and you can now organize your elements. Now we'll move on to the next lesson now, which is lesson 9.